Hi everyone, if you're looking to create some module related to repair shop, so I already have created that, so you can review the demo of the module. Let's say if you have any shop related to mobile repairing or anything related to repairs stuff, so you can utilize the power of this Perfect CRM as a CRM software, and this module will help you for creating repair specific stuff or operations for your shop. Let me create a test job. From here you can select some due date. Let's say if any customer walked into your shop, then you can create a job. uh, I'm just creating a sample. Let's say if it is either it is a laptop or a mobile device. Let's say it is a mobile device. Make Samsung, let's say 6 serial 1 2 3 4 5, and from here you can create multiple repair types. Faulty screen, and from here you can create multiple billing type options as well as per your need. Here you can see faulty screen. From here I can select people, and just actually this is the drop down. Let's say if the repair which the staff member is going to do, that repair requires some parts to be replaced as well, so you there is another section for the parts to be added, but over here let's say if the part is already added, you can easily select that part and its price, and even you can select multiple parts from here, and based on this selected spare parts, the total price uh, field will be automatically populated. Then you can add some description related to customer fault and the agreed work which is going to be performed during the repair, and if there is any additional information, then you can simply save it. Let me add fix screen by, let me create it by replacing it with new one. Yes, the repair work has been discussed and agreed. Let me save it. So here it is, my test job has been created, so it has not yet started, so already it is showing over here. Let me review that job details. So here you can see some details. Then with respect to this specific job, you can enter related the delivery information. The tracking information will be created automatically, and you let's say later on if you have any notes to add with respect to delivery notes, you can add some notes. Customer needs some more new parts to be replaced. So anything you can add. Oh, sorry, let me add delivery ID. Let me create some delivery method. Let's say it is also, sorry, I have to select FedEx. Tracking information will be automatically picked. Let's say delivery date is on 8th. Now let me add some notes.